Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Nia, aka Alien in Disguise, and today I am just going to be winging a makeup tutorial. Not really a tutorial, I'm just gonna do my makeup, but yeah, I'm back with my annual video once a year. I'm a little bit sick, but it's not corona, so please don't worry. I've been sort of like playing around with ideas, and I really want to change my channel. I want to like completely restart my channel and just do what I want to do on my channel and not try to like fit a specific mold, which I was trying to do before. But yeah, I'm just gonna wing this makeup tutorial. I have like all of my makeup in front of me and this like really ghetto setup because I'm actually not in my apartment anymore. I moved to Tokyo, by the way, so I'm in Tokyo now. So yes, I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna start with skincare. I've been using this Wonder toner. It's called Rice Smoothing Toner. But there are two different kinds. There's like one with the orange label and then one with the pink label. So I bought the pink label first, and that one was a little bit better, but I'm just gonna use this and then, I don't know, use that at some other point. And then I've been using this forever, this Wonder Pore 10-in-1 Ultra Pore Solution. I don't know, I don't really know what it does, but it seems to work good for my skincare routine. So like, I'm really not an expert on skincare or makeup, but you know. Oh, by the way, I'm doing like a clown look, as you can probably see from like the thumbnail and the description of the video. Okay, and now I should have done this first, but I'm gonna put in contacts. I bought 2 pairs of contacts yesterday. These are not the contacts I wanted to buy, but I bought them anyway. I don't know if you can see this, if my camera will focus. I got a new camera. It's really nice. So I got this brand. The colors that I bought were Girl Crash, which is like a light brown, and then Claret Dazzle, which is kind of like a gray. Can you see this? Oh, I don't think my camera will focus that close. Can you see this? Okay, so I'm gonna try the light gray one. I've never tried these contacts before, so I don't know if they're actually gonna feel comfortable. Ooh, they're kind of like gray and then pink in the middle. So let's try this. I'm really nervous. Oh, okay, there's one in. Okay, contacts are in. Yeah, I like them. I think they're subtle. They're not crazy. The ones that I got before were like really light, and so these are a bit more subtle than those, so I'm okay with this. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this primer that I bought. It's called Perfect Pore Primer. This is a really, really good primer. Like, I don't know, I've just been using this for a few days, but honestly, I love it. It makes my skin look so smooth, so I'm gonna use this. And oh, what I really love about it is that it's clear. So like, always when I buy Korean skincare or Japanese skincare, the products have like, they make my skin look really gray. So this doesn't do that because it's completely clear. So that's why I really love it. Okay, primer's on, so now I'm gonna start concealing. So let me see, I'm gonna use my basic skincare routine. My skincare really hasn't, or my foundation routine hasn't changed that much. NARS concealer. Okay, we're done with concealer. As usual, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty foundation for my foundation. Okay, I'm going to leave the foundation like this for now. I just use a darker color to contour my forehead a little bit. And now I'm just going to like set with a loose powder. Okay, so the next step is going to be something that I've never done before. I'm going to get rid of my eyebrows. Actually, I'm just going to make them like blonde brown using this Kill Brow eyebrow cover thing. So it's very light, so I'm a little bit nervous. Let me just brush them into place. It's like always, not even just for my makeup tutorials, just I always have like really thick, really prominent brows. So this is gonna hurt my soul. It's so light, oh my god. I guess I have to like brush it all the way through. I don't want to get it too much on my skin though, which I just did. Okay, so I'm gonna put on one layer. I'll let that kind of like dry or set, and then I'll put on another. It looks so weird. I swear, this looks so weird. I've never seen myself with like blonde eyebrows before. Oh my god, I'm kind of living for it though. Let me see if it's dry. It's kind of like it's drying. I don't hate it, especially with these contacts. I really don't hate it, which surprises me. Yes, it layers on really nice. I look nice in my mirror, but in my viewfinder I look like trash. Okay, that's enough. That's enough layers. Let me just, oh my god. It looks so weird. It really looks so weird. Okay, so I think it's finally time to start my eyeshadow. So I bought a new eyeshadow palette. I bought it when I went to America. This is the one that I bought. It's got a lot of different colors that I would never use. Well, I have never used, but I'm going to start using. So I'm going to use, ironically, Joker for my eyes, and then probably Lefty and Damn Gina. So I'm gonna use these three colors. And I'm gonna do like, I wanna do like a flame sort of clown eye. So we'll see how it turns out. This looks so weird. My face looks so weird right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other eye. Be right back. Oh my god. Okay, so both eyes are done. They're not done, but that color is done. So now I'm gonna go to Lefty and I'm gonna put that like in the center, and then on top of that I'm gonna put Damn Gina. So let's try this. I'm scared of myself right now. Okay. That's all for that. So now I'm gonna do like a reddish nose and then maybe cheeks. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna use this really cute pineapple brush that I have. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Okay, it's not working. It's so red. And then what I really want to do, I really want to do like a strong highlight on my nose. Let me grab another eyeshadow palette. This is the one that I use all the time. Actually, I don't really use it anymore, but it's still a really good palette. Oh my god, this looks so crazy. Like, I'm almost done. I don't know what. I'm gonna do eyelashes.
Eyelashes!
I bought two. I bought this. This is a red eyeshadow eyeliner. I completely forgot that I bought this yesterday. This is the same company that makes the eyebrow pencil that I use every day. So I hope this is good. This is the only one left. And I only got it because it was, like, it's number 9. And it was upside down with the 6s. And so I'm thinking that's the only reason I was able to get this. Ooh. So I really want to put this on my waterline. I don't know if it's going to ruin the look, but we're going to try it. That's why I'm doing this. It's an experiment. Like, it's supposed to be, I'm supposed to be winging it. Oh my god, I can't see. Yes. Okay, so I bought 2 pairs of eyelashes. I bought these really thick ones and then these less thick ones. I think I'm gonna use the less thick ones though. I used to be pretty decent at it because I used to wear eyelashes every single day when I was in high school, but that got to be too much. Okay, let me let these dry. Okay, so while they're drying, I'm gonna start my lipstick. How did I want to do this? I got this color, which I want to use. Okay, it's like I got this like forever ago while I was still living in America. So it's a matte lipstick, but it's not, like, it doesn't dry. So I want to do, obviously I want to do like the clown lips, but we'll see. I'm just gonna go for it. The eyelashes are still not like perfectly dry, but I'm gonna take this off. Okay guys, so that's the look. Yeah, I really want to do more of these. I have so many ideas like swirling around in my brain. I started doing art again, so I guess if you want to check out my art collection, I'll link it in the description, hopefully. Yeah, so I want to do like a lot of makeup tutorials because I really have like lots of ideas now. So anyway, yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! What time is it? It's 2:23. I wanted to be done with this makeup by 2 because I want to go to Harajuku. But I need to make this look wearable now so I can leave this place, this hotel.